Alright guys, today we're going to do an experiment on Newton's third law in motion, which states for every action, there's an equal and opposite reaction. If I were to drop this ball nice and light, it would come back to me soft. Where if I were to put some more force into it, it would come back a lot harder. Today we're going to have Mr. Futrell and Miss Danae practice this in the gym so we can see who has more force when throwing the ball. Alright, and we're going to start right now.
Only question you need to ask yourself while studying the third law is, what happens when two objects interact with each other? What happens when you place an object on the table? The object exerts a force on the table and the subject exerts an upward force on the object. There are two forces that result from this interaction: a force on the table and a force on the object. The magnitudes of the two forces are the same, but the directions are opposite. These forces are called as action and reaction forces. The force exerted by the object on the table was an action force, and the force exerted by the table on the object is the reaction force. What we saw here is nothing but a display of the Newton's third law of motion. Every action has an equal and opposite reaction. That's how simple the third law is. Every action has an equal and opposite reaction. It means that when two objects interact, there is a force on each object. The magnitude of force on the first object equals the magnitude of force on the second one. And what about the direction? The direction of force on the first object is opposite to the direction of force on the second one.